Bro, can you slow down? Why are you?
Let the ex go. You know what it is. All up on the beach, whoa. The newest feeling that you get from life. If you kiss me on my shoulder, then you know what it is tonight. So tell me how you feel now. Keep it real now. Baby, I've been all in it like you're taking a pill now. Not the next day time, I hit the lights off and get you all up in the bed like what's up with the right sauce. Oh, I hit you like that. Bring it right back. You've been taking it all in like that. I know your ex is too mad. Who gives a fuck? You with the newest boss, baby girl. I got the newest flow. I tell you take it off, take it off again. And now you're naked. You've been loving like you want it in. I slow it down and give it to you right. You smiling all night. You know the real.